Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from the Fanny Pack. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the best trail building tool. So if you want to build this tool for yourself, all you're going to need is an old shovel. It could be broken, it could be missing a handle. You'll need a piece of 1.5-inch steel pipe, and finally just a handle, which I made mine out of an old board. Alright guys, so the very first thing you need to do is just take an angle grinder and cut off the part of the shovel that actually holds the handle. Now the only real difficult part in this whole project is the welding. And as you can see here, my dad has done it for me, but if you know somebody who has a welder, which is pretty likely, then just ask them to do it. It's a pretty easy job if you clean everything up correctly. Then all I did was carve the handle, just using a draw knife, and then I hammered it into the pipe and put a bolt through to hold everything together. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, consider liking and subscribing, because that would really help me make more videos like this. See you on the next one. Bye.